Okay, here's a video of the puppies. They are 4.5 weeks old. This is their setup of where they are right now, just for another day or two, until we give them free range of the playpen. But this is just a last little stage here of making sure that they use the potty. This is a large dog crate that we didn't put together. We instead flipped it over in its two halves. And the one is their bed and the one is a litter box. And at about 2.5 weeks old, is that right? I think that's right. We put, right after their eyes were open, we slid these two tight together so they could just come over the lip of the one and be right into the other, so that their only choices were a place to sleep and a place to potty. And they, oh, I just missed, light purple over there was going. They use it, I would say, very, very close to 100% of the time. So they do a really, really good job. As soon as they wake up, they all head over there and go. I think it was within 2 days of putting them in this setup, I came out and saw 7 of them go in and use the potty. And the one that didn't make it all the way, didn't get all the way in and left his little hiney hanging in the bed part, but he still had his front feet and his nose in the pellets, so hey, I think it still counts. So this leaves them a little bit of play space in between the two, and make sure they get the picture that it's not just stepping out of their bed that they can go potty, but they're actually getting into the litter box. And then we'll set, oh, there's dark purple going potty right now. We caught her. So they're doing so good with it. I've been so pleased with how they're doing. Very impressed. You just want to be petted, don't you, buddy? This gives a little bit of space for them to play, and also just a little bit of space to have they usually have a water bowl out here. And with moving into the bigger space will come their official introduction to having food available. So, I'm excited about that, and I'm sure Rebecca's excited about that too. They're doing such a good job. They usually have their towels in here, and this is that same stuff that was in the whelping box with them. But the backing on it just keeps their towels from sliding around in here, so they still have good footing. So there they are. Like I said, the space is getting a little small for them, so we'll introduce them to having their whole big open play area very soon, next couple days. And at that point, both of these will be full of litter on one side of the pen, and then we will begin having a crate for their bed. For those of you that are going to crate train, it'll just help start that process. They'll all be together in the same one, but it'll just start showing that that's their place to sleep and not something to be scared of or upset about. So Okay, there they are. Everybody's doing good and healthy and running around. And we will update you with when they get moved in and set up perfectly in their playpen. And that's where they'll spend the next 3 weeks until they go home with you. All right. So, Mill Creek Family Farms, AKC Champion Line Cockapoos. This is Rebecca and John Wayne's litter. Spring of 2018. There they are. All right. We'll send you more soon.